By the end of this module, you should be able to define ducted mini-split air conditioners, identify the components of a ducted mini-split air conditioners, and identify the unique components in a ducted mini-split air conditioners.
A ducted mini-split system represents a sophisticated HVAC solution that combines the flexibility of a mini-split system with the centralized air distribution of a traditional ducted system. Ducted mini-splits are particularly well-suited for applications where aesthetics, zoning, and energy efficiency are essential considerations. Centralized air distribution. Ducted mini-splits utilize a network of ducts to evenly distribute conditioned air throughout the building. This centralized approach ensures consistent temperature control across different zones. Discrete design. The indoor unit of a ducted mini-split is often hidden from view, concealed within the structure's architecture. This discrete design enhances the aesthetics of the space, making it a preferred choice for those seeking an unobtrusive HVAC solution. Zone control. Similar to traditional mini-splits, ducted systems offer zone control. This means that different areas or rooms can be maintained at varying temperatures, allowing for personalized comfort and energy savings. Energy efficiency. Many ducted mini-splits incorporate advanced technologies, including inverter-driven compressors. This allows the system to adjust its output based on the specific cooling or heating needs, promoting energy efficiency and reducing operational costs. The ducted mini-split air conditioner components include outdoor condenser unit, indoor unit, refrigerant tubing, refrigerant control valves, remote control/thermostat, condensate drain line, power cable, air filters, fan, control board, expansion valve, and sensors. The ducted mini-split air conditioner unique components include air handlers, dampers, and return air grills. Air handlers play a pivotal role in distributing conditioned air from the central unit to different zones or rooms through the ductwork. These handlers ensure that the airflow is evenly distributed, contributing to uniform climate control and comfort. Air handlers are strategically placed within the ductwork to optimize airflow and temperature distribution. Their adjustable settings allow for precise control over the amount of conditioned air directed to specific areas. Dampers. Dampers within the ductwork serve as adjustable components that control the flow of conditioned air to specific zones or rooms. This feature is crucial for achieving zone control, allowing for customized temperature settings in different areas and contributing to energy efficiency. Dampers can be manually or automatically adjusted to regulate the airflow, directing more conditioned air to areas that require additional heating or cooling. This zone control capability enables energy savings by conditioning only the spaces that are in use. Return air grills. Return air grills are strategically placed within the building to allow air to return to the central unit for reconditioning. This completes the airflow cycle, ensuring that the air quality is maintained and the system operates efficiently. Return air grills are designed to capture and filter the air, removing impurities before it returns to the central unit. Proper placement of return air grills is essential for optimizing the system's overall performance. Ducted mini-split systems, with their unique components, seamlessly combine efficiency, discrete design, and zone control. From air handlers ensuring even distribution to dampers enabling precise control and return air grills maintaining air quality, these systems redefine comfort and energy efficiency.